Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm Bisola. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Today I'm with Mommy Blessing, who will be teaching me how to make groundnuts, Nigerian groundnuts, and I'm here. So we are prepping all our ingredients. We have our groundnuts ready, and we have our charcoal. You can make it on gas or stove, anywhere you have, but you can. She's using her own charcoal method too make the granules. So stay tuned and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So let me introduce you to Blessing. She's using the granules. So she's the one making it, and yeah, this is her own business, and you can patronize her. I will just leave her link or phone number below for you guys to buy from her if you want to buy. So let's make our granules. Are you ready? Yeah. Achieve that color. In order for you to get a perfect color and make it done, you have to stir and stir and stir. So we are doing this thing for how many minutes?
Now 10 minutes.
10 minutes. This thing has passed 10 minutes though. We'll be here since so.
Okay, since we start,
Yes now.
it's going to 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yes, 30 minutes. Fire.
You see how fast it is. I'm just doing my hair like a rabbit. Everything yesterday, and today we are going to be doing the peeling. So the next thing for us to do is to peel all these things and remove this, and if we need to exactly like this, then we can put it inside also. I'm only blessing. Can you say good morning to my family?
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
My name is Blessing.
what we are doing now is to peel everything
Yes.
here so that we can put it inside
Inside
bottle.
bottle, yes.
For
yeah,
sale,
for
right?
sale, yes,
Okay.
yes, yeah.
Okay, so
Yes.
can you tell us when did you start the business?
I started this brand since 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
2 years ago.
You started this business.
Yes.
Guys, she started the business 2 years ago, and the business has been growing so well. I can testify because her groundnut is, oh my god, it is well sorted and it's okay, very neat. She took her time to make the groundnut. So, what are the challenges you face ever since you started the business?
Most of the challenges. Sure, I thank God. Sha.
Thank God.
I thank God. I thank God.
Groundnut is not expensive.
It's not expensive, but so I can't really. I'm still strong going. Buy it. My customers just too. They always ask for it.
So
Let's
what's
see
the-
where is that granite? Where is that granite? So I still try my best
give
on my
it to
hand to
them.
give it to them. So
Okay, so why did you start this business? Why did you start? Is it because of your kid or is it because you want to support your family?
the reason that I start this business is because of I want to support my family because I cannot leave everything for my husband.
Okay, you are supporting your husband.
And support my children, myself, even I want to buy things, many things.
Be able to buy.
I'll be able to buy for the business, and that is why to help my children going to school, buy them some book so that is why I'm doing it to help myself and my family.
Yes.
That is why I'm doing it.
Okay, so
Since I've started, I've not regret anything. But I just thank God. Be God be the glory. It's not by my power.
yeah, it's not by anyone's fault. So is it growing than before? Like when you started, do you have more customer now?
Yeah, when I started, I was not having customer, but when they
For
taste,
like how many months?
It's not up to 3 months.
It's not up to 3 months.
No,
So
it's
you
not
are
to
doing
3
groundnut
months.
for like how many? I know, like if you start a business,
Yes,
it's not immediately
yes,
that the business will grow. Do you
The
get?
minute when I start this business
Yeah.
is because of my husband. So I was selling it in my that is in front of my house.
Yeah.
So the place my oga was working in Dangote at Ikeja.
Okay.
So their oga normally buy groundnut. So my oga now told the oga said that told the oga that the wife normally do groundnut.
Groundnut.
He now say let her be bringing for me. So from there I will go
You are
to
supplying to her.
I will supply to that is my husband oga
Boss.
boss. So from there he will say my that is my driver wife is doing groundnut. He self introduce me to people.
Okay,
To
yeah.
those Indian people.
People,
So wherever they need groundnut, they will
Call you.
me.
Then you
Say
sell for them.
I will sell for them.
So how much do you sell bottle? Like what's the range of the price?
It's just 700.
700 bottle.
Yes,
How many
700.
mils? It's like 700 mil. Let's see bottle.
Okay. This is 700.
See, this is the bottle she normally pours it inside, and this one is 70 cl, and this one is going for 700 naira. The bottle is
yes.
actually 700 ml, so it's going for 700 naira. Well, quite interesting, and it's not bad for the price considering the fact that things are now expensive.
Yes,
But
yes.
before things goes up like that, how much do you sell the bottle?
600.
So just 100 naira
Just
difference.
100.
It's not that much though. It's not, considering the fact that things are expensive in Nigeria. Things are ridiculous expensive. I don't know how people do it.
After all this, then we now pick it.
Could we still be picking?
Yes, so-
See guys, see what we've done so far.
We have finished peeling everything.
Everything is being peeled.
Yeah.
So we'll now pick
We
it
now
now.
pick it
One by one.
One by one, yeah.
You start picking this one by one.
Remove it inside this thing, the shaft.
Okay, so we are removing the sleeve. Look at the shaft. So guys, if you want to patronize her, I'll just leave her contact below for you to just buy your groundnuts. And if you want to buy from the abroad she sells, right, you can give people now. You
Yes.
can sell it to people.
Yeah.
Okay, so we start peeling now. I think we should just like do it like this there.
Yeah, we can blow it now.
We can blow it.
Yeah,
now,
we can blow it.
But are we picking now?
You can blow it, then pick.
Okay.
When we blow it, you pick.
Okay,
You
so
pick that is the
the
biggest
good
one, the good
Okay,
one
the biggest
inside.
one,
Hey,
okay.
not the breakable one, the seeds one. So it's the
so-
seeds one we put inside
bottle.
those bottle. Like we look fresh.
So the one that has divided into two, that is one you sell inside nylon. So people buy granules inside nylon, they hit this. So I think the bottle people hit better granules quality. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the series, and if you do, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. So how much can you use to start this business?
If you have like 10,000, you are okay.
10K for the business.
You are okay just to buy some, because those bottles we buy them.
You buy bottle.
Yes, we buy bottle.
Then you
So
wash.
You wash.
Okay.
Soak it and wash it neat. So with 10,000, you
10K buy bottle.
you can make something inside.
But is it profitable like that? Make a living selling groundnuts. Okay?
Yes.
At least it's better for
Yes.
someone to be begging.
Yes, exactly.
It's better for someone to be begging.
You cannot go and beg tomorrow or go and beg next
Yeah,
tomorrow.
you can't be begging.
You cannot
every
be
day.
begging
Even people
every
that are
time.
giving you money will be tired.
They will be exactly.
Yeah, they will be tired.
Yes.
Like, okay, can't you find something to do for yourself? Anyways, that is it, guys. So we are doing a little business here.
Okay.
See, look at what we've picked so far. So we have to be careful so that it won't be breaking.
Yes. Blow.
So guys, so far we've been able to do like these 3 bottles, and they are going for 700 naira, right? Mom, blessing.
Yeah.
So that is it for this video, guys. If you enjoy watching the video, please leave a comment down below. What do you think about this video? And don't forget to patronize Mommy Blessing. I will just leave her contact on the screen for you to get your groundnuts. And make sure you like the video, make sure you share, make sure you comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Thanks.
Bye.